Right, we just did test track, Ring Club Cool. Guys trying Beverly, yep. I knew it straight away. I said it's an honourable drink. See what Mum's reaction is to it. I don't think Mum will enjoy it.
Can I just take it in a glass?
I thought it tasted like mucky backwater. Anyway, here we go. Let's go.
You guys should try the China one. This one, yeah? No, this one.
Oh.
You think Beverly's good?
And I stand by my case. The Beverly tastes like mucky backwater. That was horrible. Didn't like that.
There's a couple that we need to do.
Just tried the bonbon.
We need to do on this
one from Madagascar, and that is rather nice.
That's nice.
It's like a peach. It's like a peach.
It's not peach.
It's not as sweet as it looks. Tastes like
That's actually alright.
Refreshing though.
Yeah.
That Beverly were horrible. Still got taste in my mouth for that. Right, so I've got the Country Club now, one from, is it Dominican Republic? So I've been there many years ago, so I'm going to try this one. Not bad. I prefer the bonbon one so far, but the Country Club one's pretty good.
Oh yeah. Some of them are different. Like there's the Beverly one. Oh yeah, I got that.
That was good. Country Club, that was
They've
alright.
got different ones.
Right, we're now trying the Minute Maid Joy Apple Lychee one from Korea.
And I think the bonbon.
Let's give it a try. It's just apple juice. It's a good thing this is not alcohol, otherwise we'd all be drunk. Right, Dad is trying the sour plum small one from China.
No.
Let's get this one to go. Just having a bit of it. Right, let's have this one. This is sour plum from China.
It's horrible.
I don't think it's that bad. I'd rather have the Beverly. Oh, yeah, alright.
Yeah.
The aftertaste is not amazing. Go on, Mum.
Was it from China?
Yeah.
Smells horrible.
China can keep it, I'm not interested in that. Go on.
You've got to try it.
Nobody even smelled it.
It didn't smell that bad at the start. It didn't smell that bad at the start, but...
Chug it.
It's alright at the start and it's the aftertaste. I don't think Mum's minding it. It's not horrendous. I'd rather have that than the Beverly one. No, Mum didn't like it. Right. Viva from Moldova. Oh, this looks nice.
There's a couple we haven't tried loads.
Right, we're going to try this last one on here. Going to have a look for some more Viva from Moldova. Oh, it tastes like Tizer. It tastes like Tizer. I quite like that.
My favourite's then second, 2 and 3. 2 and 3.
Yeah, second one and third one. The Beverly was the worst one. It was awful.
No, that China one was the worst one for me.
For me, I'd go first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Right, I'm trying the Sprite from Russia. Let's see how this is. That would taste like Sprite.
Tastes like poison.
It doesn't taste like Sprite, it tastes like something that rhymes with Sprite, Mum will get say. I knew you'd laugh at that one. What tastes like this? Oh, Cat would have liked that joke. Oh, that one was even Cat. So what were your favourite one then, Dad? The Dominican one or the
It's got that one on.
the Madagascar one? You like that one, Mum? It didn't taste like Sprite, it tasted
Sounds like your dad's kind of...
they got Coca-Cola cherry in here. So go on then, favourite one, Mum? For me, it's the second one from Madagascar.
The third one.
The Madagascar...
What, the Dominican one?
Country Club one, Dominican.
Yeah.
The,
The country club.
the Madagascar one. And
Yeah.
the last one, that Viva.
Yeah, that were alright, weren't too bad.
Third one again. So I've tried the second one again. I think it's third one.
Oh, is it, what, are you having another,
Have another one just to make sure.